Welcome back, student. So let's start with a new chapter, that is word processing intermediate. It is included in your midterm exam. So in this chapter, what we will understand the utilities of word processing application. You can say MS Word, where we work, and we will learn the various features that will help us to create professional documents. Okay, the fourth from session 1, the first session is modifying layout of a paragraph. Now, what is a paragraph? A block of text is called paragraph. After that, when a paragraph ends, when we press the enter key, so as long as we type a single character or word or sentence and then press enter key, we have a paragraph. Now student, the thing that you need to know from these steps, okay, from the steps, that where you have to click, like open a new documents and click the page layout, then dialog box launcher arrow of the paragraph group. The thing that you learn from the steps, from each and every step, is that which tab you have to click and from which group the particular box will come, that you need to keep in your mind, because filling the blanks, or you can say multiple choice questions, are generally based on these things. So you have to know these tabs. Okay, then from here, the dialog box contains two tabs: indents and spacing, and line and page break. You have to click indents and spacing tab. In this tab, we can set alignment, line spacing, indentation. Means these are used. Indentation means for space, for page breaks, for line breaks. These things are used for modifying a paragraph. These things we do those. If any one of you have computer or laptop in your home, you can see in the MS Word by yourself, just by clicking the as per the direction in the steps, or else we'll do all this once. We'll go for physical lab, practical lab. Okay, but till for that you have to know the terms, means which you have to click and which tab or group you have to go. Clear? Now next is paragraph alignment. Alignment is nothing but the position of text or paragraph in a document. By default, words align text to the left of the page. So remember that by default means without making any changes, by default it is on the left of the page. So you can set the default position of text by clicking any of the given alignments. You have to know that. Again here the same thing, page layout, then from paragraph group you have to click on the indents and spacing.